Hi, it's Betsy-Morgan, the psychic teacher. It's so good to be with you. I would like to talk with you today about how you can become psychic. I'd like to give you a short background about what happened to me because I really feel that many of us share the same stories. I didn't know I was psychic. I didn't even know what the word was when I was young. I got pushed down. I love where I'm from, the Midwest. However, it wasn't conducive to helping me to accept that I was seeing ghosts and angels and hearing voices and that things were happening that other people couldn't explain. So I kind of pushed it down. I want to start with that. And I'm going to make a lot more YouTube videos, so look for them on being psychic. I started to realize that I was just different. Instead of punishing myself and becoming someone I'm not, I decided to start being me. So I want to encourage you to recognize that one, you already do have a spiritual gift. Now maybe you've discovered it and maybe you haven't. But what you can do to start looking for that is to realize that we all have a sixth sense. We already know that our five senses, sight, taste, touch, sound, and hearing, are available to us, or at least I hope they are to you. But we have another sense, a sensory perception of the non-physical reality. There is a reality, a truth that is non-physical. How do we tap into it? That is called your sixth sense. Take a look at which one of your already fairly well developed five senses are working best for you. That will be your lead rope into seeing into the non-physical. For me, I get a feeling. For instance, have you ever walked into a room and it just didn't feel good to you? There you go. That's a clue that you are feeling. Some people call that intuition. That's okay. That's wonderful. In fact, it's a starter point. But being psychic then, if the room doesn't feel good to you, you could ask, what doesn't feel good if you are feeling the higher information? I have a gift of not only feeling, but of being able to see what's there. So my next step would be to use sight, inner sight. And I would ask my higher self, a guide or an angel. You have them all available to you. And if you watch my channeling YouTube videos, you will see how easy it is to channel. In fact, if you learn to channel, you'll become psychic so much easier. But to give you some tips on developing how to become psychic right now, right as you are. Let's say in that room you feel, doesn't feel good. Next, ask your sense of sight. Do you see something? Now, you will either see it in the room as an apparition, as a vision, as a color or condensed energy, or you will see it in here as a sense or a sight of something. And it can even show you the location in the room. And next you would ask, what do you mean? What's going on? Listen and trust that inner voice that's going to start talking to you. You are so connected to the divine, to the truth of nature. It's natural to be psychic. It's natural to know what's going on in the invisible realm. Why? Because we are one with it, and because we don't have five senses, we have six. We just weren't told, so we didn't develop it. It was shut down. Start treating it like an old friend. Hi again. It's good to be with you. Welcome it. For today, your homework assignment is every time you get a sense of something going on that feels invisible but real, embrace it. Talk to it. Say hello or give me some more information. Move closer to me. Ask, help me to become better at reading information that is invisible to my five senses, but is very well known to my sixth. There's more to come. Stay tuned. Look for my other YouTube videos. Betsy-Morgan, the psychic teacher. Bye.